Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix 500 internal server error in your Google Chrome. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting a 500 internal server error on your Google Chrome, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome. Open your Google Chrome. And you need to check whether your Google Chrome is up to date or not. You can see at top right side 3 dot. Just click on that, click on help and click on about Google Chrome. If your Google Chrome is not up to date, it will update it from here. As you can see here, it is updating from here. Guys, you need to wait for some time to complete this update process. After completion of this update process, in left section you can see here privacy and security. Just click on that. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here clear browsing data. Just click on that. You can see here under basic there is a time range. You need to click on all time and check mark all these 3 options and click on clear data. After that, come to advanced tab and click on clear data. And close this window. After that, you need to click on start menu and type here other troubleshooters. Here you need to type troubleshoot setting and click on troubleshoot setting. You can see here other troubleshooters. Just click on that. You can see here internet connection. If your internet connection is not working properly, then you need to run this troubleshoot setting for your internet connection. After completion of this process, close this window. Again you need to click on start menu, then type here control panel. Click on control panel. If it is selected as small icons, just click on view by and select as category. Guys, in this you can see here network and internet. Just click on that. You can see here view network status and task. Click on that. Click on change adapter setting. You will see here multiple network from which you are connected to the internet, from which you have connected the internet. For example, I have selected this Wi-Fi. Click on properties. You can see here TCP IP4 internet protocol version 4. Double click on that. Just select use the following DNS server address and here you need to type 8.8.8.8. below you need to find 8.8.4.4. after typing this, just click on OK and click on OK. After doing all this, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix 500 internal server error in your Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.